Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the Canadian used farm equipment market at Sandhills Global. The newest reports covering April data are now available. Today, we will go over the latest market reports for Canadian used farm equipment, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels in this market have been trending upward for 6 months. In April, inventory dipped by 0.03% month-over-month, but was significantly higher, by 32.38% year-over-year. The used high horsepower tractor category posted the largest month-over-month inventory decrease and year-over-year increase. Asking values in this market remained stable, decreasing by 2.64% month-over-month in April, but increasing by 6.72% year-over-year. The used combine harvester category exhibited the largest month-over-month asking value decrease and the largest year-over-year increase. Auction values also remained stable, decreasing by 2.85% month-over-month in April, but increasing by 8.67% year-over-year. Used combines showed the largest month-over-month auction value decrease and the largest year-over-year increase. In conclusion, the Canadian used farm equipment observed positive year-over-year inventory changes, while auction and asking values experienced month-over-month decreases. According to Chuck Lewis, 0 to 5-year-old high-horsepower tractors are driving year-over-year inventory increases. If you'd like to access the full reports for Canadian used farm equipment, go to marketbook.ca and click More at the top of the page. Then click Get Market Reports. If you have any questions, please reach out to Chuck Lewis at chuck-lewis@marketbook.ca. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the Canadian used farm equipment market.